Craving a snack but watching those calories? Here's a quick rundown of 5 healthy options under 100 calories each. First, a medium apple. Crunchy, sweet, and full of fiber. Second, a cup of air-popped popcorn. It's light, fluffy, and satisfying. Third, a hard-boiled egg, packed with protein and keeps you full for longer. Fourth, a handful of baby carrots with 2 tablespoons of hummus. It's a crunchy, creamy combo. Finally, 10 almonds, a powerful punch of protein and healthy fats. Remember, it's not just about counting calories, but making those calories count. For more information about leading a more healthy life, click the link below for my ebook, Nourished Roots. Get your copy today.